What is up everyone, welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Wi-Fi or hotspot not working issue in Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So if you are facing any issue regarding Wi-Fi or hotspot in A02 or A02s, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.